Welcome back to part 8 of ASVAB Mentor. By now, you've answered 140 science questions, and that means your science muscle is getting stronger with every session. Today's topic brings together 3 super important areas: space science, weather systems, and human health. These are must-know concepts for the ASVAB General Science section, and we'll explain each one using simple, real-world English that anyone can follow. Before we begin, if this free series is helping you, please like, share, and subscribe to ASVAB Mentor. That's the best way to support this project and help others get the same boost you're getting. Now, grab your notebook and let's begin. Solar System Questions 1. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Explanation. Mercury is the smallest and hottest of the 8 planets. It orbits the Sun in just 88 days. 2. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. It's cold, dry, and has the largest volcano in the solar system. Explanation. Mars has a reddish surface because of iron oxide in its soil. 3. What planet is surrounded by beautiful rings made of ice and rock? Saturn. Explanation. Saturn's rings are its most famous feature, stretching thousands of miles wide, but only a few feet thick. 4. Which planet is known for its giant storms, including the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. Explanation. Jupiter is the largest planet. Its Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for hundreds of years. 5. What do we call a rock from space that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up? A meteor. Explanation. We see meteors as shooting stars. If it hits the ground, it's called a meteorite. 6. What force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. Explanation. The Sun's gravity pulls the planets inward, while their speed keeps them moving in a circle. That balance creates orbits. 7. Why do we have day and night? Because the Earth rotates on its axis. Explanation. One full rotation takes 24 hours. As Earth spins, different parts face the Sun or face away. Weather and climate questions. 8. What tool is used to measure temperature? A thermometer. Explanation. Thermometers use mercury or digital sensors to show how hot or cold the air is. 9. What do we call the boundary where 2 different air masses meet? A front. Explanation. When warm and cold air meet, it often creates rain, storms, or wind. Weather fronts are important in forecasting. 10. What type of cloud looks puffy like cotton and often means fair weather? Cumulus clouds. Explanation. These white, fluffy clouds usually bring nice weather, but if they grow tall, they can become storm clouds. 11. What causes thunder? Lightning heats the air, causing it to expand and explode. Explanation. Lightning strikes first, then thunder follows. The sound is made by the sudden expansion of hot air. 12. What scale is used to measure hurricane strength? The Saffir-Simpson scale. Explanation. It ranges from Category 1 to Category 5, based on wind speed. 13. What gas do we blame most for climate change? Carbon dioxide. Explanation. CO traps heat in the atmosphere, warming the planet, a key driver of global warming. Human health and disease questions 14. What system in your body defends against germs and infections? The immune system. Explanation. White blood cells and antibodies work together to attack viruses and bacteria that try to make you sick. 15. What is the organ that helps clean your blood and also makes bile? The liver. They're like your body's defense army. Explanation. The liver filters toxins, stores energy, and produces bile to help digest fats. 16. Which type of blood cell helps your body fight off diseases? White blood cells. Explanation. These cells detect and destroy germs. 17. What disease happens when your body can't properly use sugar from food? Diabetes. Explanation. People with diabetes have trouble making or using insulin, which helps control blood sugar levels. 18. What do we call the process of getting a vaccine to protect against disease? Immunization. Explanation. Vaccines train your immune system to fight off infections by showing a safe version of the germ. 19. What is the organ that controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum, part of your brain. Explanation. This small part at the back of your brain helps you walk straight, stand tall, and move smoothly. 20. What is a contagious illness caused by a virus that affects your nose, throat, and lungs? The flu. Explanation. It spreads easily through coughs and sneezes and causes fever, cough, chills, and body aches. You did it part A complete. You've now answered 160 ASVAB style science questions, and each one has taught you something new, from planets and weather to your own amazing body. Before you go, like this part of it helped you, share it with a friend who's also studying. Subscribe to ASVAB Mentor so you never miss future parts. This project is here to empower learners like you, and your support helps keep it growing.